In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to reset or change entire squad in FIFA Fantasy. Let's get started. First, navigate to the official website of FIFA, provide your credentials and log into your account. Then head over to the section Fantasy and League, go to Fantasy, then navigate to this section My Team. Once you're on this page, you won't find the dedicated Reset Squad button in the game. Instead, what you have to do is click on the option Make Transfers. Now select the player you want to remove. Click on Transfer Out. Now choose the replacement. Save your changes. You can repeat this process as many times as you like before the tournament deadline. Once the first match kicks off, however, unlimited changes are no longer allowed, and any further squad adjustments must be made using the transfers provided for each match day or by activating a special chip such as Wildcard if available. Therefore, if the tournament has not yet started, you have complete freedom to change your entire squad and create a brand new team without any restrictions. So that's it. This is how you can easily reset or change the entire squad in FIFA Fantasy. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.